Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automation Tech Guru. Jira tutorial for beginning complete course 2022 part 4. In this video we will see search issue in Jira, advanced search in Jira, create filter in Jira, manage filter in Jira and create customer quick filter in Jira. So let's start. So now we will go to the our Jira project and you can see here this is just search box where we can search any type of issue. So how it will work, let's see. So when you click on it, it will open this whatever recently viewed issues are there, and also the recent boards projects and filters. You can see this is the auto board which we have created, and this is the Jira training course that we have created, and also viewed recently done issue, open issue reported by me. So these are the some basic search options available on when you click on the search text box. If you want to search any specific, so you just need to type AUTO. So you can see it is coming based on the that text. And when you click on this search and you click on this show more, so it will show the other projects also if you want to search for or filter for that particular project. If you want to search this inside this project, you just need to click checkbox, so then it will showcase the auto 2, that is the training story. Or if you want to search training story, so you can see these are the three story or three issues which we have created based on the training epic training up user story 1 and training story 1. So this is basically based on the text which you are putting on the search text box. So in this way you can search for your own project, or if you want to search anything text, any text which is belongs to other projects also. Or you can also filter by the assignee, what is the who is the assignee for that particular uh, issues. And also if you see click on it, you can find the assignee also. So you can just put a specific name if you want to put, it will come here also. So based on this it will just add one more filter to search for this training word. So in this way you can search n number of things based on your the text. This will be a simple search. And if you remove this, you will see the option of advanced search. So when you click on advanced search, you can see this is the box which we actually coming here. And you can see here the filter, then search issue, then other, my open issues, reported by me, all issues, open issues, done issues, viewed recently, created recently, resolved recently. If you scroll, so you can see the updated recently and view all filter. So this is basically a filter, but this is the panel for the search. So we will talk after this in the for filters, but now we will talk about the search. So if you see, there is a option project, view type and status, assignee, and you can click on more. If you can find there are multiple criteria to search for particular issue type. If you see, if you go one by one, you can see the recent criteria is based on the status, category or resolution or reporter. And then if you go down, all criteria is there under percentage limit, chart, then actual and actual start date, and the change reason if you want to search based on the change region, change risk or change type. If you want to search based on the command or creator, even you can search based on the description, development, due date, environment, epic link, epic name, and flagged if something is flagged on the particular issue, then it can be searched based on that also. Impact, issue color, label. If you are putting any kind of label on the issues, it will search based on that label. Logged, open, form, organization, parent, priority, rank, reported or reporter, request type, resolution date, sprint, start date or status category, then status category change. So these are the all the columns you can add if you want to search for particular uh, issue. If you click on it, it will add it to the panel. So you can add a number of columns which is listed here in this panel, and based on that it will search for you. So if you click on this project all, so it's showing all the projects. If you want to search for a specific project, you just need to select that specific project and click here, so it will search for everything. Now if you want to click on type, what type of search you want, based on the subtask, task, story, epic and bug, it is showing the task. So if you click on it, it will search for the task, it will search for the story or epic or bug. So based on this criteria, it will search the data. When then status, so what type of a status is assigned to your project, that is done, in progress, review, test, to do, any other status which is added to the project, it will listed here and you can select based on that. And the assignee, whoever the assignee, it will be the current user, it means that you or any other user, or you can find any name of the user. So you can see based on that the name, you can search for that particular person name and you can search for him, an issue which is related to that particular person. And you just need to this created data is also added. I just remove it, so you can see all the I just remove that 30 days. So now it is coming the result set. So if you select type and then select epic, then you can see the filter is done, it will search for only epic. If you click on story, so you can see there is one story is available. When you click on task, there is one task. If you click on bug, there is one bug. So based on this criteria, you can search for everything. If you use the type, if you want to use the status, so you click on done, there is four story which is done in done state. If you click on in progress, nothing is in progress, or to do, if anything is in to do status, it will showcase here. And if you check with the assignee name, so if you click on current user, you can see nothing is there, only these three it is created based on this, so that's why it is coming. And if you want to search based on any particular text, so if you put like task and search on it, so you can see whoever summary or anything which is having task text, it will search for you. And if you want to filter or if you want to create a search and switch to JQL, that is Jira query language, so it looks like this, with just a query which is coming, which is actually adding to that project, and it based on this query it is returning the result. So this is basically a query only. So when you switch to basic, it will filter out based on this drop downs. And once you create this search, suppose you want to search for the current user. Okay, I click on current user and it says these are the current based on the current user. This is the assignee and this is the reporter. So this is the current user which is using these three issues, this who is working on these three issues. So if you want to save this search, you just need to click on it and it will create a filter. So basically this is a filter, and if you name to it, it will be like current user and submit. So now this will be some saved as a current user. You can see this is a filter is created, and you can find here also, if you drop down here you can see this is the current filter which we have created. So now whenever you click on it, it will open automatically that particular filter or particular search grid based on that filter is created. So search based on the filter is also created the same way. So we have already created this current user, and this is only for the current user. When you click on it, it will be basically for the current user. If you want to create any kind of filter based on the team, based on the project, based on the type of the issue, or based on the status, then you can just need to create it and save it. So suppose I just go to the all issues, so it will list all the issues, and these are the drop downs are selected as all. Now we want only which is done. So we just need to click on done. So see, these four are completed, or these four are in a done status. So what we need to do, we just need to save as status with done. So this basically create a filter for you and submit. So now you can see this is the status with done, and you can see here also the filter will be listed here. If you expand this, you can see here all the filters which is required for basically it is given by default by the Jira. So you can see here also, and these are the filters which we have created: current user and status with done. And other also you can see my open issues, then reported by me, which I have created all the issues which is available for this particular project, then open issues which is actually open till now, or which is the done issues. So you can see here also, and these are the filters which is basically it's a default filters. If you want to modify this filter, you just need to save and create a new filter. So based on this, you can create a number of filters, and that can be utilized anywhere, anytime, so that you can find out a particular issue. If you want to find or search for any issue, you can use these filters. And also if you click on this filter, you can see that the list of filters added here, right? So if you just need to refresh, so now if you click on filter, you can see current user filter and status with done. So these two which we have created, and these are the if you click on the view filters, it will list all the filters which we have created. And if you want to create any other filter, you just need to click on it, and again it will come to this page, and you search for something and then save it. Once you save it, it will create a new filter and submit. Then it will list it here also, and you can find that filter in this list also. So this is the basic or quick filter view which you can utilize. And also if you go to the project again, so let's go to the project. So in this project, you can see all the listed filters. If you want to manage those filters, you can find the option here also. If you click on this manage custom filter, then it will open like this. So how we will create this custom filter? So it says that the name of the filter custom, okay, and the description what exactly you are looking for this particular custom filter. So and then query. So when you click on this query, it will give you the option expand the editor. So you can see there are lots of queries also there. So suppose I use the status equals to, then if you want status is in progress or open, so it will go open. Then again you will give the, I think it will allow you, yeah. So now this is created. When you click on this, it will create the filter with the status open. Now if you go to this, somewhere it will create, and now if you refresh this, view all filter, and if you go to filter and this create filter also coming the same way, but when you go to the project and then manage filter, yeah. So now if you go to the go back to the project, right, and you can see this is the custom filter. So when you click on custom, right now it's not added because we haven't added or started any sprint, but whatever custom filter you create, it will come here, and based on that custom filter, it will filter in the to do or test or whatever status in it, it will come here. So based on that, this custom filter will work. So if you want to create and create any other filter, you can just create and add. So you can create a number of filters, and that filter basically work on the project state, directly to the project. So when you go to the board, you can see that custom filter here, and you will listed all the custom filter, and then you can select that filter and allow it to filter based on that custom filter. So this is just a query based filter which you can create. So in this video we have seen how we can do the search, advanced search, quick search, and how we can create custom search, and create a different search also, and how we can create the filter, how we can do the custom filter. Everything we have seen based on the search and filter. So I hope you like my video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.